There is a little girl. Her name is Goldilocks. She is a sunny forest. She sees a small house. She knocks on the door, but no one answers. She goes inside. In the large room, there are 3 chairs. Goldilocks sits on the biggest chair, but it is too high. She sits on the middle-sized one, but it is too low. She sits on the small chairs, and it is just right. On the table there are 3 bowls. There is hot porridge in the bowls. She tries the first one, but it is too hot. The second one is too cold, and the third one is just right. So she is it down. After that she goes upstairs. She looks around. There are 3 beds, so she sits down. The biggest bed is too hard. The middle side bed is too soft. The little up 3 bears come home. The papa bear, the mama bear, and the baby bear. They look around. They say, "Who's been sitting in our chairs and eating our porridge?" Then they run upstairs. They say, "Who's been sleeping in our bed?" Goldilocks wakes up. She's very scared. She runs away. Goldilocks never comes back.